Hi guys, welcome to our channel TechQFlow Software Solutions. Today our topic is types of the regression testing. First of all, what is the meaning of the regression testing? See, whenever we did the successfully testing on the particular application, so again we want to get some updates from the client side. At that time we will do the regression testing. Here we can call as passed test cases. Again we have to check on the modified build path, two dependent functionalities are found or not. That is called as a regression testing. Here we have the three types of regression testings we have. How many types we have? Three types of the regression testings we have. Regression testings. So what are the regression testing? First one is unit regression testing. First one is unit regression testing. So second one is regional regression testing. Regional regression testing. Third one is full regression testing. See, so coming to the unit regression testing, so whenever developer changing the sum part, at that time we will check only changing part. See, so this is the application. So in the application, what is the application? Application name is geo.com. What is this? Geo.com. So this application, geo application, having some modules. What are the modules we have? One module, B module, C module, D module, E, F, G, H, I. See, the first module is new connection. How many connections are available in the geo.com? And second one is postpaid, prepaid, lot of modules are we have. Okay, so we are getting one update. So developer want to change some part. So this part, developer want to change some part. At that time, what we are checking? We are checking only changing part here. Only changing part. So that is called as a unit regression testing. What do we call? Unit regression testing. Wherever developer changing the some part, at that time we will check the only changing part. That is called as a unit regression testing. Coming to regional regression testing. So whenever developer changing the some part, that part is impacted on other modules. Whenever developer changing the some part, that part is impacted on other modules. At that time, what we are checking? At that time we are checking the changing part as well as the impacted part. See, so whenever developer changing this code here, this code is impacting on this module, this code is impacting on this module and this module. At that time we are checking changing module as well as the impacted modules. That is called as a regional regression testing. What do we call? Regional regression testing. Coming to the full regression testing. So full regression testing means wherever developer changing the some part, at that time we will check full regression testing. Full end-to-end testing we are doing. That is called as a full regression testing. I hope you clear with this topic. Yeah. So next class onwards I will tell you new topic. Yeah. Thank you so much.